Hi everyone, this is Gareth from TechnoSwitch. In today's video, we'll be covering the features and functions of our new range of ABS conventional control panels.
So looking at the fascia, our system status, fire control, control buttons and enable controls have not changed on the panel whatsoever, still giving you easy to read indications for fire and fault conditions, and our control buttons can manage the control panel for any condition whatsoever quite easily. The sounder 1, sounder 2 circuits, our zone input circuits, common fire, common fault relays, our zonal fire relay 1, zonal fire relay 2 for our 2-zone panel in this case, programmable input 1, input 2, L bus and auxiliary output. Now in regards to the changes made, the sounder 1, sounder 2 circuits are now configurable via the software Solar to set up for coincidence or IS operation. The same can be said for our zone inputs. They can also be configured for IS operation and coincidence detection as well. The zonal fire relays, which have been for a long time fixed, are also now configurable. For example, a disablement occurs on the panel, you want relay 1 to switch over. All this can be done via the Solar software. The same thing can be said for our programmable inputs, which were initially fixed on our first generation. They are now also configurable to monitor for external faults, be used as a remote mute, silence, reset. It's up to you regarding the configuration and application for the site. The L bus is where you will be wiring your repeaters to in the future upgrade. The auxiliary out remains the same in regards to providing your auxiliary output power. On the reverse side of the chassis plate, towards the bottom of the PC board, all the previous slide switches have been removed. We have upgraded the service slide switch to a mechanical style toggle switch. The 2 pins that you see over here is for your bootloader in regards to upgrading the firmware of your panel for future upgrades via your Solar software. The plug-in connector there is a 1-style type now for your power and comms, and we have your USB A to B port for your upgrade of your panel and obviously configuration and download of events. With all these new features, our new range of ORYX ABS control panels offer you greater flexibility than ever before, well suited for your SMEs and their requirements. Thank you very much for watching the video. In our next video, we'll be introducing you to our Solar software and go over the basics of configuration and setup.